Hey guys, Warren S here, Rock Sculptor. Hope everybody's having a great day. Was going to fire up a mix, but upon further thought, I think it was more important to do the texture brush. Reason being, I think you guys can test drive your own creation when we get to the point of making that mix and applying it. So let's just jump right in. Like I said in the previous video, the roller just consists of a half-inch nap, 9-inch roller, okay? The sleeve, the appropriate sleeve for it, right? Can of spray foam, window and door. Don't get the other stuff. It expands a little too much, and I'll explain why through demonstration. Can of plastic dip. I like the white color. They sell some different colors. I'd probably stay away from the black. Black being because obviously it's going to be sitting in the sun. It's going to be blazing hot, and that concrete's going to want to just stick on there and cake on there. Help keep your brush, keep your texture brush somewhat in new condition. This is what it looks like when it's completed, at least one of them. Again, you can have fun with this. The process goes as outlined. Basically, you take the spray foam, get yourself a chip brush. And what I do is I spray the foam onto like a melamine surface. And then at that point, I just dab it in. And I'm able to paint the nodules on there. Now, you gotta remember, these are going to expand. So you got to inch into it. Don't go crazy with big dollops because you may want to go that route, but again, sample with it first. I'm going to step out of the frame, try to put this into the focus lens so you guys get a close-up shot of this particular texture roller we created. Here it is, guys. Let's see if the camera can pick this up. All right, looks like it's focusing. I'm going to rotate this a little bit to kind of give you a sense of what I created here. So the narrative is you put the foam, the spray foam on the actual roller. You can paint it on. It provides a little more control because now I'm just painting the dollops on there. Now these are going to expand, okay? Keep in mind the spacing, that you keep spaces or negative space in this case around the adjacent nodules, so you got room to grow. So if you look at this roller, if we get the light just right, let me see if I rotate it a little more. It's got some really nice indentations, so recesses. And not only the recesses as far as the depth, as far as physical dimension, the variety. There's a multitude of variety, so we won't have a repetitive pattern. So it's very important when you're drafting and creating these, keep that in mind. All right. Okay, guys, so got a piece of plastic here. Obviously, I just don't want to put foam all over the table, so I'll give this a shake. I'm going to unload a little bit of foam here. Lay it out. You can use the Hilti foam. It doesn't matter. Hilti's got a brand. Great Stuff's got some other stuff out now. And as discussed, basically going to dip that brush in there, get it nice and populated. And you start tapping. Again, I like to inch my way in, and then you can get the desired effect you want. Now this is a square brush, so you got to be careful of your edges. So I'm just doing more of a tapping. I'm going to bring this up into the camera. I'm not going to do the whole thing for this demonstration because you guys are going to get the gist once you start doing it. So, all right. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but I'll run into the frame real quick and show you guys kind of what this is looking like. Okay, guys, so see if the camera picks that up. You can kind of see what's going on here already. Rotate that a little bit. You can see it started off, you see off to the left side, I just got a light dusting. And that's not the finished product, but I rather inch my way in because I want this roller to be very nice. Take the time, if one nodule gets a little too big, let it dry. You can shave it back, cut it down before you plastic dip it. The plastic dip's going to put a skin over this. So, all right, guys. Guys, I'm back. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this roller. We'll let it dry, and then we'll be back for the plastic dip.